Hey concrete fans, we're back with another tutorial. Today we're going to work through making some hex tile. We're going to do something a little bit special. This is the joy of concrete, and I am Mr. Concrete, and you are a concrete artist, and we are going to work together making hex tiles. I'll put this aside for right now. I've got 2 batches of concrete that I've already pre-mixed some pigment into. And we're going to add a little bit of water. There's about approximately 200 grams of concrete in each one of these. I'm going to start with about 30 milliliters of water. Let's give this a little mix. This is our wonderful mix, gray matter. And as you can see already, this color is going to be black, charcoal. So let's see what we end up with. I think it's going to be very nice. Here we go. Let's keep on mixing. It's coming together. We don't want this mix to be too wet, but we can go a little wetter. Got my favorite, sriracha water. Put you there, sriracha water. Yeah, today we're going to be making something a little bit different. We're not going to be marbling. I know, crazy, hey? No marbling? But Mr. Concrete, no marbling? How can we do this and not marble? Well, I think it's fun to try new things, and I want to keep stuff fresh for you, and I want to show you new techniques. So because we're not marbling, I'm going a tiny bit wetter. I would say this is a bit too wet for marbling. Sticky. I don't want my concrete to be sticky if I'm going to be marbling, but for what we're doing, this should work just fine. Set that aside. Here's our other color. Can you guess what it's going to be? I'll give you a hint. It's not white. I'll give you another hint. You're going to find out very quickly. Don't need that anymore. Give this a little mix. And what's it going to be? It is my favorite color. What's your favorite color? My favorite color is pink. All kinds of pink. Let's have a look at this one. This is rich pink. It's like a raspberry. Okay. Well, we've got another one. 2 colors. So just working with 2 colors today. And working with, we've got the consistency of a milkshake. Let those chill for a bit. Pink. Black. Black's a little more solid. So we'll maybe start with black for this. And the hex mold. People love making hexagon tiles. You can use them for anything. They can be a little plate for something. They make nice coasters. You make enough of them, you can tile your entire bathroom or kitchen. Don't choke. I've done this. There's a lot of work. So today, here's to try something a little bit different. I made these little pieces of these little dividers. Now this is a technique that is kind of it somewhat references, I would guess, say a Moroccan cement tile. A little bit different, not quite the same materials, but conceptually somewhat the same. So we've got these little dividers. We're going to place them in place like so, like so. Are you following along? Probably not. You could pause the video right now and go make some dividers. Just cut them out of whatever. It could be cardboard too, probably. It could still work. They're not going to be in here for very long. I think the plastic's going to work real nice though. And now I'm just going to put a little bit of my charcoal mix very carefully into 1/2. And again, right here, very carefully, 1/2. And again, right here, very carefully, 1/2. Ooh. Don't drip into the other sides. 1/2. And okay. Should be good. Now what I'm looking for is to see it just come and push up against the edge of my little divider there. You can see it's all the way there. It hasn't seeped under yet, so I'm going to stop. If I keep going, it's going to slide under there, and that's not what I want. I want it to stop at the divider. Let's go this one. Tap, tap, tap. We got too much. Okay. Tap, tap, tap. All right. We're almost there. 2 more. Working as quick as we can. You don't have to work this quick. But I want to work quick because I don't want to waste your time. I want these tutorials. I also don't want to do a lot of editing. So I'm trying to not edit these tutorials, which allows me to make more of them. Editing is time consuming. Anyone out there edit videos? Oh my goodness. The trick to editing videos is not recording too much video, because the more video you record, the more video you have to edit. And editing is a lot of work, and it takes much longer than recording. So just don't record so much. Then you don't have to edit as much. That's my video YouTube tip of the day. All right, I'm just gonna give this, you know what? I like to get molds filled up to as close to perfect as I can. So there we go. Let's put this, let's put it right here. We're gonna need that putty knife. So there we go. Now let's get a look at our pink. And we're gonna do the same thing we just did. Pour it in. The pink, now that the black side is covered, the pink side is, we get a little bit more freedom. Oh, this is going to be fun. Have you ever seen a two-toned hex tile coaster before? I think I probably have, but maybe I haven't. I don't know. 1, 2. Anyone out there eat tofu today? I ate tofu because I need more of these containers. They're so useful. It's like, oh man, keep eating that tofu. Alrighty. Okay, there's number 3. We got 1 more to go. Oh, I'm into this. I can tell already before we even finish. I'm like, oh, I'm gonna be into this. Come on, get in there. Get in there. Here we go. Okay. Now, same as before, tap this out. I'm being a little bit more careful tapping. Maybe I'm just gonna vibrate the whole table. King Kong style. Except I'm not pounding on my chest, I'm pounding on the table. It'll work though. It's loud though. Too noisy. It's not too noisy. We can be noisy. I'm sure you can hear other noise. I apologize for all the noise. I work in a busy studio. Everyone's working hard today. Where do you work? Are you working hard today? Is it your day off? Are you relaxing? When do you watch YouTube videos? I got so many questions. Am I going to inspire you to do this at home? I hope so. Is this going to turn out? Let's find out. So I feel pretty good about what's going on here. Now, our little dividers, we're just going to yank them out. Yank them out. You know what? This plastic's too thick. I can tell already this is going to be troublesome, or our mix is too wet. I don't like how sticky that looks. I have a feeling this isn't going to be quite how we want it, but whatever. Let's keep going. So some of these, this is the back of the tile, but I have a feeling it's some of this like bloopy drip edge that we see, even though it looks cool, I think it's going to be on the other side too. I don't think our lines are going to be super straight and crisp. But let's leave it there and let's come back to this later. Whoa, later. Slide this over here. We're going to come back to this. Let's get rid of this too. We'll just put it there. We're going to come back to this later. 12 hours. Let's say 12 hours. Meet you in 12 hours. We're going to pop these out, see if this experiment, our Moroccan concrete tile experiment, turned out. I don't know. Did it turn out? We're going to find out. Catch you on the flip side. Hey, concrete fans, we're back to take a look at our two-tone hexagon tiles. I hope yours turned out as well as mine did. So let's just take a look at the back really quick. We've got mostly straight lines. Kind of what happened is the plastic was maybe a little bit thicker and not quite slippery enough, or my mix was maybe a tiny bit wetter than it should have been. But the plastic was really sticking to the concrete. So when I pulled out, I got some of these lines are a little bit wavier than I would like to see. And I'm curious if these wavy lines are going to be mirrored on the other side. Is the other side going to have a wavy line? What do you think? You don't know? I don't know either. That's why we do experiments together. But let's pop this out. This is kind of a technique inspired by Moroccan tile making. And let's see the first one. This is one of the wavy-ish ones. Oh, pretty straight. Okay, we got one. Pretty straight. We got two. Tiny little waver in there, but pretty straight. We got three. 4 to 4? 4 to 4. We got 4. Oh, nice work, Hex Tile mold. What a great mold. Now, let's take a look at these tiles. What can we do? What can you do when you've got... Oh, interesting. Well, yeah, when you've got... well, that's fun. I didn't even... Let's see here. Okie dokie. Oh, so interesting. So making a hex tile that's got a divider and casting two tones opens up some interesting possibilities for building patterns. Oh my goodness. Okay, this is actually pretty cool. We can do some fun stuff with this. Oh, I wish I had more of these right now. Okay, I need more of these. Okay, so I hope this turned out as well, as good for you as it did for me. But I don't know. Take a look at that. Very cool. this could be something, you could do some very, very fun things with patterning, building out a pattern on a wall or floor or anything with a two-tone hexagon tile. Yeah, so as always, thank you, everybody. Thank you for tuning in. Thank you for watching the video. I hope you got a chance to follow along and make a beautiful concrete object with me, Mr. Concrete. And if there's anything I can do to help you make better concrete stuff, experiment with something, whatever, make a comment down below, and we can connect. Have a great rest of your day. Make some concrete art. Thank you. Bye-bye. GoPro, stop recording.